In this video, I'll show you how to change the search icon to a search bar in Shopify, making it easier for your customers to find products. This is a quick and easy tutorial. First, let's take a look at the current search icon on your Shopify store. It's small and not very noticeable, which can be frustrating for users. To improve this, we'll transform it into a more user-friendly search bar. Start by navigating to your Shopify store's dashboard. From there, click on Online Store. Before making any changes, it's crucial to duplicate your theme to prevent any potential issues. Click on the three dots next to your theme and select Duplicate. This backup will include all your products and customizations. Once the duplicate is ready, click on the three dots next to Customize and choose Edit Code. In the code editor, search for header.liquid in the top left corner. Click on this file to open it. Now, press Command F or Control F. On Windows, to search within the file for render header. Once you find it, scroll slowly until you locate the section with the code render search input ID equals search in modal. This is the part we need to modify. In the description of this video, I've provided a link to a file containing the new code. Copy the entire code from style to the bottom. Go back to the code editor and replace the existing search code with the new one you copied. After pasting the new code, click Save. Once saved, reload your Shopify store to see the changes. You should now have a sleek and accessible search bar that enhances user experience, allowing customers to easily search for products like men's and women's items. I hope this video helps you improve your Shopify store's functionality. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I reply to every comment within a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.